आज शहरों का विकास कैसे हो रहा है? आप किसी भी शहर में जाकर के पूछिए, बहुत कम शहर ऐसे मिलेंगे कि जहां पर 5 साल के बाद शहर कैसा होगा उसका कोई खाका कागज पे मिलेगा। 10 साल के बाद कैसा शहर होगा उसका खाका कागज पे मिलेगा नहीं। जो प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी डेवलपर है उनको तो पता होता है कि शहर इतना बढ़ेगा, इस दिशा में बढ़ेगा, फिर वो वहां जमीन ले लेगा, योजनाएं डाल देगा, मकान तो खड़े कर देगा, लेकिन जिंदगी जीने योग्य व्यवस्थाएं पहुंचती नहीं है। न रोड बनता है, न बिजली पहुंचती है, न ड्रेनेज की व्यवस्था होती है, और लोग आते हैं पैसे देकर के मकान भी लेते हैं, बाकी व्यवस्थाएं होती नहीं। क्यों? क्योंकि शहर के नेतृत्व ने शहर नहीं बनाया, कुछ प्रॉपर्टी डीलर ने शहर को बढ़ाया है। ये जो मिसमैच है, उस मिसमैच को बदलना है। शहर कैसा बढ़ेगा, कब जाएगा, कहां, किस रास्ते आगे बढ़ेगा, वेस्ट में बढ़ेगा कि ईस्ट में बढ़ेगा, समाज के छोटे से छोटे व्यक्ति के लिए भी उसमें क्या जगह होगी, ये प्लान जब तक शहर का नेतृत्व दीर्घदृष्टि के साथ नहीं करता है, ये स्थिति बनी रहेगी।
Namaskar. A very warm welcome to Sunset TV. I'm Deepika Dhanda Singh. In the heart of India's urban transformation lies a bold vision to create intelligent, sustainable, and inclusive cities that will define the future of urban living. This vision is known as the Smart Cities Mission, an initiative that is reshaping the fabric of Indian cities for the 21st century. The Smart Cities Mission will help prepare our cities to take up the challenges of New India and build world-class urban centers in India for the 21st century. Since its launch, the Smart Cities Mission has made remarkable progress. As of July 2024, 100 cities have completed over 7,000 projects, amounting to 90% of the total planned developments.
किसी भी इंसान, गरीब से गरीब इंसान का एक सपना होता है, खुद का अपना घर हो। और एक बार अगर खुद का घर हो जाता है तो फिर वो सपने संजोने लग जाता है। जब मकान मिलता है तो सिर्फ छत नहीं मिलती, 4 दीवारें नहीं मिलती हैं। जब गरीब को घर मिलता है तो धीरे धीरे उसके इरादे भी बदलने लग जाते हैं। घर मिलते ही मन करता है यार एक आध दरी ले आए तो अच्छा होगा, फिर मन करता है यार 2 कुर्सी लाए तो अच्छा होगा, फिर करता है नहीं यार टीवी मिल जाए तो अच्छा होगा, फिर लगता है ये सब करना है तो थोड़ी ज्यादा मेहनत करे तो अच्छा होगा, फिर कर लगता है फालतू खर्चा करता था, अब उसको थोड़ा पैसे बचाऊंगा, अगले महीने ये लाऊंगा। जीवन में बदलाव शुरू हो जाता है। और वही सेल्फ मोटिवेशन इन कारणों से आता है। हमारी कोशिश ये है सिर्फ मकान देना, यानी एक परिवार को जो कि बेघर है वो घर वाला बने, इतना नहीं, उसको जीवन जीने की हैसियत देना, उसके मन में जीवन जीने का उमंग भरना, उसके जीवन में जीवन को साकार होने का आनंद देखने को मिले और आने वाली पीढ़ियों को वो देने का उसका सपना पूरा हो, ऐसा एक माहौल बनाने का इरादा है।
The mission aims to enhance livability, boost economic opportunities, and ensure sustainability by providing efficient services, robust infrastructure, and a clean environment. Despite financial challenges, with the budget reduced from 8,000 crore rupees to 2,400 crore rupees in 2024 to 2025, the mission has been extended until March 2025, ensuring its continued momentum.
छुटपुट बहुत कुछ हो रहा है। इस योजना के तहत उन सारे अनुभवों के आधार पर, यानी कोई हवाई बातें नहीं, उन अनुभवों के आधार पर एक कदम और कैसे आगे बढ़ा जाए, पहले से कुछ अच्छा कैसे किया जाए, एक जगह पे होता है वो सब जगह पे कैसे हो। कुछ लोग करते हैं, हम मिलकर के सब लोग क्यों न करें, उस भाव को पैदा करने का प्रयास है। भारत जिस तेजी से अर्बनाइज हो रहा है, एक प्रकार से यूरोप के किसी छोटा देश देखें तो हिंदुस्तान में हर वर्ष एक नया देश जन्म लेता है शहरों में। मतलब हमारे सामने कितनी बड़ी चुनौती है। उस चुनौती को पार करने के लिए हमने निश्चित योजनाओं के साथ आगे बढ़ना पड़ेगा। कुछ कानूनी बाधाएं होगी तो उसके रास्ते खोजने पड़ेंगे। आर्थिक व्यवस्थाओं की भी व्यवस्था होगी, उसके संबंध में स्थानीय इकाई, राज्य सरकार, केंद्र सरकार, सबने मिलकर के एक मॉडल खड़ा करना होगा ताकि हम पैसों के कारण अटके नहीं। आज पीपीपी मॉडल, पब्लिक प्राइवेट पार्टनरशिप का मॉडल करीब करीब स्वीकृत हो चुका है। उसको कैसे हम बल दें, हम ज्यादा से ज्यादा अर्बन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के लिए फॉरेन डायरेक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट को कैसे लाएं, हम आर्थिक संसाधनों को विश्व में जहां से भी प्राप्त कर सकते हैं कैसे प्राप्त करें, लेकिन निर्धारित समय में हम इन स्थितियों को कैसे बदलें।
A significant part of the Smart Cities mission is the development of 12 greenfield industrial smart cities. New urban hubs designed from the ground up to serve as economic powerhouses. The technological backbone of these cities is the integrated command and control centers, operational in all 100 smart cities. These integrated command and control centers act as the brain of the city, monitoring and managing essential services like water supply, solid waste, transport, and public safety. During the COVID-19 pandemic, these integrated command and control centers were transformed into emergency war rooms, demonstrating their versatility and potential to address unforeseen challenges. Public safety has significantly improved with over 83,000 CCTV cameras, 1,884 emergency call boxes, 3,000 public address systems, and traffic enforcement systems for red light violations and automatic number plate recognition have been installed across smart cities. Smart infrastructure extends beyond technology to the very essentials of urban life: water supply, waste management, housing, and public spaces. Over 9,900 kilometers of water pipelines are monitored by advanced supervisory control and data acquisition systems, and solid waste is managed using radio frequency identification enabled vehicles in more than 50 cities. The mission's impact is not just on infrastructure but also on the well-being of citizens. With over 49,000 new housing units, 1,300 parks, 7,654 smart classrooms, and 172 e-health centers, the quality of life in these cities has dramatically improved. Smart cities are also transforming India's economic landscape. With 21 incubation centers, 56 market redevelopment projects, and 199 public-private partnership projects worth Rs 9,200 crore, the mission is creating opportunities for businesses and entrepreneurs alike. The journey of building smart cities is not without challenges, but the results speak for themselves. As India moves forward, these cities are laying the foundation for a future that is not only smart but also sustainable, inclusive, and ready to meet the demands of tomorrow. The Smart Cities mission is not only about building infrastructure, it has constantly adapted to emerging challenges. When the COVID-19 pandemic highlighted the need for open spaces and healthy lifestyles, the mission launched innovative campaigns like Cycles for Change and Streets for People to promote active living. Additionally, special initiatives like the Nurturing Neighborhoods Challenge ensured access to safe public spaces for the most vulnerable, including young children and their caregivers. Other challenges such as Transport for All and Eat Smart Cities are fostering innovation in urban mobility and promoting food hygiene standards in smart cities, encouraging startups to bring solutions to these critical areas. While 90% of the projects have been completed, the remaining 10% face hurdles due to legal issues, land acquisition challenges, and resource availability in smaller cities. Despite these setbacks, the Government of India has extended the Smart Cities mission until March 2025, ensuring time for the completion of these projects. Since its inception on June 25, 2015, the Smart Cities mission has followed a unique model of urban development. The competitive selection of 100 cities and the creation of special purpose vehicles for implementing projects have ensured that each city addresses its unique challenges. As of January 2024, these 100 special purpose vehicles have developed over 8,000 multi-sectoral projects worth Rs 1.7 lakh crore, with more than 6,650 projects already completed. These initiatives include everything from sustainable housing to public safety systems, all with the goal of improving the ease of living for citizens.
The Smart City mission enables cities to identify their potential and challenges. It catalyzes smart solutions for the challenges through public consultation. Smart City Command and Control Centers use digital technology to integrate different service networks. They enable real-time collaboration among departments such as police, transport, power, water, sanitation, and public safety utilities. I believe that with the system in place, administration will be able to monitor city operations better and respond in real time. The implementation of integrated command and control centers is gathering pace across India.
The mission's focus on core infrastructure and replicable models ensures that each smart city becomes a lighthouse, guiding other cities towards sustainable and intelligent growth. More than Rs 1.6 lakh crore is being invested across diverse projects, many of which are unique to the Indian context and are being implemented for the first time. With 97% of the Government of India's allocated budget released and 93% of it utilized by the cities, the financial success of the Smart Cities mission is evident. The mission's extension until March 2025 will ensure that the remaining projects are completed, fulfilling its goal to improve the quality of life in urban India. Smart cities are the foundation of India's urban future, creating vibrant, inclusive, and sustainable environments where citizens can thrive. The Smart Cities mission has achieved remarkable milestones across India. A cornerstone of this mission has been development of smart infrastructure, with all 100 smart cities now operating integrated command and control centers. These centers gather and analyze data to enhance urban management across fields like crime tracking, transport, disaster response, and waste management. Citizen safety has also taken center stage, with intelligent traffic management systems implemented to improve road safety. Over 76,000 CCTV cameras monitor public spaces, supported by emergency call boxes and traffic enforcement systems. These systems ensure faster emergency response and real-time crime monitoring, creating safer environments for citizens. Urban mobility has been another focus, with nearly 1,300 smart mobility projects completed and 383 nearing completion. Investments worth over Rs 40,000 crore have brought over 2,500 kilometers of smart roads, 7,500 new buses, including 2,000 electric buses and 600 kilometers of cycle tracks. Intelligent transport management systems monitored through integrated command and control centers improve traffic flow and reduce commute times, making travel more efficient and sustainable.
साथियों, हमारी सरकार के लिए ये स्मार्ट सिटी सिर्फ एक प्रोजेक्ट नहीं है, बल्कि हमारे लिए एक मिशन, मिशन टू ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, मिशन टू ट्रांसफॉर्म द नेशन। ये मिशन हमारे शहरों को न्यू इंडिया की नई चुनौतियों से निपटने के लिए तैयार करने का है। 21वीं सदी के भारत में विश्व स्तरीय इंटेलिजेंट अर्बन सेंटर्स खड़ा करने का है। ये देश के उस युवा की आकांक्षाओं का प्रतिनिधित्व करते हैं जो सिर्फ बेटर नहीं बल्कि बेस्ट चाहते हैं। ये हमारी जिम्मेदारी है, ये हमारी प्रतिबद्धता है कि इसी जनरेशन के लिए भविष्य की व्यवस्थाओं का निर्माण हो। यहां जीवन 5E पर आधारित हो, और 5E यानी ईज ऑफ लिविंग, एजुकेशन, एम्प्लॉयमेंट, इकोनॉमी एंड एंटरटेनमेंट। आज जब भी मैं आप जैसे लोगों से, शहर के मेयर से, म्युनिसिपल कमिश्नर या सीईओ से बातचीत करता हूं तो एक नई आशा सामने आती है। स्मार्ट सिटी मिशन की प्रक्रिया का ढांचा जन सहभाग, जन आकांक्षा और जन दायित्व, इन तीनों पर आधारित है। अपने शहर में किस तरह की योजनाएं शुरू हो, ये शहर के लोगों ने खुद तय किया है। उनके ही विचार शहरों के स्मार्ट सिटी विजन के आधार बने हैं और इन पर आज तेज गति से काम चल रहा है।
The integration of technology extends to essential services as well. Over 50 lakh solar and LED streetlights have been installed, reducing energy use and lighting up public spaces. In water and sanitation, smart energy projects and supervisory control and data acquisition systems have improved efficiency, while solid waste management has seen a digital upgrade with radio frequency identification enabled vehicles for route management and tracking. Making cities more livable and inclusive is a key goal. Through 700 social infrastructure projects, smart cities have introduced over 6,800 smart classrooms, 40 digital libraries, and over 1,600 Anganwadis for underserved children. Health facilities have also been enhanced, with 308 e-health centers, and 255 health ATMs, providing accessible healthcare in urban areas. A key aspect of creating vibrant urban environments is the development of public spaces. More than 1,377 public space projects are in progress, including 180 waterfronts, 170 cultural heritage sites, and the redevelopment of over 200 marketplaces. Environmental sensors monitor air quality, and over 5,300 trained personnel ensure efficient disaster response, contributing to safe and lively community spaces. Smart cities are also being positioned as hubs of economic growth. With investments worth Rs 13,800 crore, 674 economic projects have been completed, supporting job creation and entrepreneurial development. Incubation centers nurture new businesses, while market redevelopment enhances urban commerce. Public-private partnership worth around Rs 11,000 crore further drive efficiency and innovation in urban projects. Under the Smart Cities mission, various assessment frameworks have been created, including the Ease of Living Index, Municipal Performance Index, and Climate Smart Cities Assessment Framework. These indices offer valuable insights into urban quality of life, governance, and environmental resilience, forming a robust data ecosystem with over 1 lakh data points across 250 cities. Smart cities have continually evolved to meet national challenges, such as during the COVID-19 pandemic. Campaigns like Cycles for Change and Streets for People encouraged active lifestyles, while programs like the Nurturing Neighborhoods Challenge created safe spaces for vulnerable citizens. Other initiatives like Transport for All and Eat Smart Cities fostered startups to enhance public transport and food hygiene.
अगर एक बार देश के इन 125 करोड़ नागरिकों की ताकत को झकझोर दिया जाए, अच्छे काम के लिए झोंक दिया जाए, तो सरकारों की कोई जरूरत नहीं पड़ी, अपने आप दुनिया चल पड़ेगी, बहुत तेजी से चल पड़ेगी। और इसलिए ये स्मार्ट सिटी कंसेप्ट ये सिर्फ इस काम के लिए इतने पैसे दिए जाएंगे वो नहीं है। ये अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ा जन आंदोलन है। ये बीते हुई कल के अनुभव के आधार पर उज्जवल भविष्य की नींव रखने का एक सार्थक प्रयास है।
Launched in 2021, the National Urban Digital Mission aims to create a unified urban digital ecosystem. By 2028, it plans to onboard all urban local bodies, enhancing citizen-centric governance and accessibility across Indian cities. Additionally, the Urban Learning Internship Program provides real-world learning for recent graduates, with over 6,000 internships already completed. From enhanced public safety to advanced mobility and vibrant public spaces, the Smart Cities mission is transforming urban India into hubs of innovation, safety, and sustainability. Together, these initiatives form the blueprint for India's urban future. This is Deepika Dhanda Singh signing off for Sunset TV. Namaskar.
To watch more programs of Sunset TV, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to like and share them.